you all for this new session, Les sons du français. Les sons du français. So I think last test which you wrote on your rough note was excellent and most of you got a good mark. Yes? Okay. So you have done well and you got more than 24. Clap for yourself. Okay, that is the best way to motivate yourself. Okay, and definitely ask for chocolate from your mom. Fine. And if you have not done well, less than 20 or 20, please practice as I did. Okay, so just check yourself then and there. Just mix the alphabet and check yourself. Okay, today's topic we are going to see few words which is related to the particular letter. Okay, for example, avion. Avion means aeroplane, right? You know that? Okay. So here I cannot show you the pictures, but in the screening method I have shown you with the picture. So that will be a good fun for you. Now I will tell you what we are going to see today. So far we have learned alphabet and then the sounds, that is consonant plus vowel, right? Yeah. Now one is letter. First one is letter. Second is consonant. That is vowel plus consonant. Okay, or consonant plus vowel. So letter, syllable. Okay, letter, syllables, and then comes the word. So far we have seen letter finished, syllables finished, now a word. So word is nothing but combination of letter and syllables. Okay, for example, this is a word, right? Avion. A-V-O. This is syllable. A-V-E-O-N. This is, we concentrate on each letter. So this is what we are going to see today. We will concentrate both on letter and then letter means spelling. Okay, we both concentrate both on spelling as well as how to give accent for each and every syllables. The combination of syllables will become a word, and word will give a universal meaning. Okay, so avion means aeroplane. So in English language, instead of aeroplane, can I say some other word? Can I say flight? Yeah. So like that, the word which is used in one form has a universal meaning. Even if I go to Japan and I say aeroplane, okay, in English aeroplane is only aeroplane. It doesn't have any other meaning. We cannot say helicopter as aeroplane, right? So a word in French, avion means aeroplane. Understood? So that you will see in the picture format, so that you will learn directly. There are two ways of learning a new language. One is translation method. That is, I'll say aeroplane, avion, avion, aeroplane. And another form is picture method. Okay, this picture method is avion. When I say avion, when I show this as an image and I tell the word, you learn this word without touching another language. So I show the picture and I say avion, avion. That means, what is there in the picture? A picture of an aeroplane. And I say avion. That means, without touching English, you are learning French. So that is the method we follow here. Okay, hope you will enjoy it. So I will introduce the words which we have seen already. Okay. So avion. B, ballon. C, clon. D, dinosaure. E, éléphant. F, fille. G, garçon. H, hippopotame. Normally, G will have J sound when it is alone, okay? But when it is joining with another consonant or vowel, the sound will change. Here, J is changed as Ga. Why? Because the word is garçon. So here I could write only the words But in the screening method, I will show the words, the spelling and the syllables with the image. So shall we enter into the screening method? As usual, you will not have any online test today. Instead, what we will do is, I will give a surprise test as we did last class. Okay, so learn well. It's a small portion, so I am going very slowly for you. As we finish this portion, we'll get into numbers or get into some greetings, saying salut, bonjour. Okay, I know you will learn faster. So good, keep it up. So we'll get into today's topic. We'll switch on to screening method. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, now let's continue with the alphabets. So A, avion. B, ballon. C, clon. D, dinosaure. E, éléphant. F, fille. G, garçon. H, hippopotame. I, igloo. J, un joug. K, kangaroo. So in last class we have completed until this, so we will continue with the next letter, that is L. L. L, un lapin. Un lapin. First we will spell it. L A P I N. Un lapin. Un lapin. Now let's see the phonetics of this word. L A P I lapin. Lapin. So as we learnt les sons du français, la, pi, n. So la plus pi, lap, i plus in un, le pain. Okay, la, pi, n. So we can split it in any ways, but here is the explanation for it. L A P I. This IN is written as EHN. Okay, lapin. Instead you can go by this method also. La, P plus E, P, la P, and when P plus I joins with N, pain, that will change the sound. Pain. Lapin. Lapin. Lapin means, yeah, rabbit. M. Okay, so mitaine. The pronunciation is mitaine. M I T A I N E. Mitaine, that's the spelling. Now me, cut the word. Me ta an. Me ta an. Mitaine. So there they have given M T A. M T A. Mitaine. Mitaine means a hand glove. N. N. So S will be a silent word, so silent letter. So what is the left out? Ne. Ne. N. A. Ne. So that is the sound. N. A. Ne. Ne means nose. O. O. In orange. In orange. O. R. A. N. Sh. In orange. You might have a doubt, what is this U in E? That is indefinite article. We have not taught that still, so we'll see that later. I'm just concentrating on the vocabulary alone. Don't get confused why sir is not telling the left hand side. Okay, in orange. So orange spelling is over. Now let's see how it has been splitted. Orange. Orange. Okay, done. Orange. Orange means orange. P. P. Un poisson. 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 Okay, let's spell it. P. O. E. S. S. O. N. Poisson. Now P. W. W. S. S. On. Poisson. Poisson. Poisson means fish. Q. Q. Une question. Une question. Q. U. E. S. T. I. O. N. That is the spelling. Spelling is over. So now let's see how the word is splitted. Q. Is. T. I. On. Q. Is. Quest. 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 Ion. Question. In question. So understood? In question. So when you read it fast, you will feel very easy, but that is not the case. You must be able to read slow as well as you have to read fast when you are very comfortable with that particular word. So in that case you will be able to read a new word also. So in case if I give a new word, you will be able to read it. That is important. Question, that is a literal meaning you will have in English. Question. R. The coming letter is R. See here. R. In règle. In règle. First I will spell it. R. E accent grave. You have to say this letter. E accent grave. G. L. E. R. E accent grave. G. L. E. In règle. Now let's see how the word is splitted. R. A. Gl. Ra. R. A. Ra. Gl. Règle. Okay. In règle. scale, ruler, that is called as rag. S in suri, okay, in suri, SOURES. So repeat, SOURES, in suri. Now see the splitting, SU, OU, this is the EWH here, suri, mouse, tigre, TIGRE, tigre. Repeat, TIGRE, tigre. But as we split the word, tigre. Repeat, tigre. Tiger, U. Okay, this is another interesting word. Ukulele. U K U L E L E. Ukulele. Let's see what is ukulele. So I think this is a musical instrument. Okay. Repeat, ukulele. Okay, let's see the next word. Way. In vache. V A C H E. Spelling is over. Vache. Repeat. V A C H E. Now let's see how it is splitted. Vash. Vash means cow. W means double V. So one V it is called way, another V it is called double V. So that is called W. One V. So in English you will say double U. Two times you write U and that will become double U. But in French we will say two times we will write V. So it will become double V, that is W. Wapiti. Even though it is W, the sound is wa, as you say for V in French, way. Wapiti, that is the splitting of the word. Let's spell it first. W-A-P-I-T-I. So whenever the word ends with a vowel, so you have to stress the letter before it. So Wapiti. Wapiti. So hope you would have seen this in Discovery Channel. X, X, xylophone. X, Y, L, O, P, H, O, N, E, and xylophone. Repeat. X, Y, L, O, P, H, O, N, E. So, as per the rule, if it is a vowel at the end, stress the letter before it. Now, let's split the word. Xylophone, 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 and xylophone. Repeat. And xylophone. Xylophone, this you know very well from your childhood. You will like to play this, right? Yeah, it will give different sounds. Y, Y, and yo-yo. So yo-yo, everyone will play with this, so you know it very well. So the spelling is Y-O, Y-O, but you will have a doubt why we say this as yo-yo. Y, when it is joining with the next word, Y, will not pronounce it completely. Y, no, so leave the Grek. The first letter alone, E, O, yo, yo, that will become E plus yo, O will become yo. And the same here, yo, yo. And yo-yo. So here's the yo-yo. So as you leave it down, it will go down and come up, right? The same thing. So the last letter is Z. Z. And zèbre. Z, E accent grave, B, R, E. And zèbre. So zèbre, we cannot say z, a, br, okay, zèbre. It falls under single zèbre. We can split like this, zèbre, zèbre. Here they are given it as a single word, zèbre. But as per the rule we taught you, leçon du français, Z plus E accent grave, Z, Z. See, when the accent is like this, that means you should not stress the E a lot. You have to make a short E, Z. So Z sound should be more and ash sound should be very less. Z, Z, br, zèbre. So hope we are done with this, the vocabularies for each letter, and hope we have done an excellent job today. That is checking how far we remember each and every vocabulary. So what I want you guys to do is practice this. Oh sorry, I forgot to show you this picture. Okay, zebra. This is the picture of this zebra. So we are done with les alphabets avec les vocabulaires. That means the alphabet with vocabularies. So we have successfully completed alphabet with vocabularies. Now you just watch the video once again. For each word I would have given you the sound which is given in bracket. You take it in a pencil, and the correct word, for example, see this word, you take it in a pen, okay, and the things which is given in bracket, you take it in a pencil, and you practice this and you erase this. Okay, once you are very comfortable, you erase this and you practice the above word and you try to articulate on your own. Why? Because you will learn lot of new words in French, so every word they will not explain you with a syllable, so the syllable should be created by our own. Okay, that depends on the learner. So once you are comfortable with this, start erasing this pencil, which is which is written in bracket, and you try to articulate with the leçon de français which we taught you. So that will be a great help for you. And I think for today's class this is enough. As usual, you will not have any online test based on this. Let us go for some other new topic and let's see if there is any possibility for giving you test. Anyway, you are doing test with me nowadays now. Even last class we did the pronunciation test with the alphabet, and this class we did the vocabulary test. So like this we'll do small test, and I thank you for today. Have a nice day, and please learn all the vocabularies from A to Z. Okay, that will be your weekend assignment. Okay, so thank you. God bless you.